In this lesson, I will explain to you how you can make your presentation by using Prezi. So when you will log in to your Prezi page, as I have told you in my first lesson, that you can see on your left hand side all the categories of the Prezi. Here you can make your video, you can design, but we are making our presentation, so you have to click Prezi presentation, this one. See, I will show you. If I will click on design, then we can have different options here, but this one is for presentation, and here it says create from template, because we already have some built-in template. With the help of that template, we can make our presentation. Start from scratch if you want to make your own presentation or convert PowerPoint. I will show you all this one by one in this course. So we are going to create our presentation by using the template, so you have to click here, right? When you will click here, you will see in couple of seconds we can have different template. So see, I will show you. I will scroll all this, and then you can see we have built-in templates. Whatever you want according to your choice or according to your presentation, you can select from here, right? So for this, I think we will select this one, right? So I am going to click here, and then see here it says use this template. Sometimes it will ask you that you have to pay. Some templates are not free, but this one you can use it. So I'm going to click here, and here it said what should be the name. So I said the name of my presentation is just the practice, right? And then continue, click on continue. Before going to click on continue, you have to put check mark either on the first option or the second option. Who can see this presentation? People I share with anyone on the web. So I am going to click here. Otherwise, when you will click without selecting this, the same message will pop up, right? So I'm going to click now continue, and again in few seconds you will see different options, different design options on the right hand side, and our presentation will be on the right hand side. So it will take few seconds. See here, this is our template, right, which I have selected, and here are my all the slides, and you can see here some designs will pop up. If you cannot see your design, I will show you what is the other method to see it. But first of all, see, this is the background is here. So this is our overview page. Here I'm going to change all this. I will show you, right, how you can change one by one. You can see that you can write down your topic, your, if you are going to arrange some meeting or your whatever you want to write down. This will be your first slide. Here you can write down the subtopic. Go to the second, and here same thing, subtopic, and this is go back button, right? If you will click go back, this, see here, again we are on our first slide. So see here, this one on the top we have a style option, insert option, share option. Here is the present option. I will show you all this. So first I am going to click on my style option, right? So here is the style. As I have told you, if you could not see your background on your right hand side, click on the style, and then here are the background. When you will click on this background, see here, I am going to click here are my background. If you do not like any background, see, there are again some built-in background. If you want this one, so you can select this one for your presentation. Again, I am going to scroll down. If you want, you can pick whatever you want according to your situation. Suppose I like this, right? So it's here. Then again go to the style, and here is the topic shape, right? In my presentation, in my built-in template, these are the circle. If you do not want this circle, so click here topic shapes. See, there are different shapes. If you want, you can pick, just select here, and you will see your all circle will be converted into this hexagon, These are the rectangle and this is the cloud. Whatever you want, you can select from here. If you do not want this, so this is the undo button, just like we had in Microsoft Office, undo and redo. So these are the undo and redo. Okay, I do not want, I want my original. So this is my original. Right, again go here and this is the colors. If you will click on colors, then see we have different colors option as well. So if suppose you like this shade, click here and then see our presentation is like this. If you do not like, you want to change it, do not worry, we have different options. Right, click here and then see we have like this. So again it's up to you how you want to show different color to your audience, right? And when we will change all this, topic 1, topic 2, colorful miniature, everything, suppose our presentation is done, you have to click on this present button, this one, right? Click here and then see we have these two arrows at the bottom. This is the forward button and this is the rewind. If I will click, see how beautiful looks this one. This is the subtopic, and then again it will go back, and then our second, this is our second slide, this is the subtopic. If you want to enter some pictures here, right? So I am going to click escape button. Again we will go back to our original slide, and this is the go back button as well. Click here and this one. Right, okay, now suppose I want to change this. When I will select this, see it is not selected. If this is not selected, you cannot see different tabs here, but when I will click here, now we have different tabs here. So what are the functions of this? I will show you one by one, right? So first of all, I want to change this. I said the name of my presentation should be uh, budget meeting, right? So what you have to do, you have to select this and then you can write down budget meeting. With the help of, when see it is still selected, now see you can move where you want to set. So I said, okay, I want to set it here. So that is here now. With the help of this is the bold. This one increase size, just like we have in our Microsoft Office, increase and decrease. Right, here are the colors. This is the italic, if you want to give some red color to your heading, okay, this is the different colors, whatever you want according to your situation. Okay, I said red is fine here. Then this is the bullet. Right, bullet means if we will write down 1 2 3 4 5, then we can use bullet. And what about this? This is for the background of this. See, I will show you. Open this. I said the background is should be yellow, so this is yellow. And from here you can increase or decrease. Light yellow means you can say this is the transparency, how you want to set. Okay, I said this one. Right, so this is the symbol. And open this arrow, this is the alignment. It is in the center aligned. If you want, this is the left aligned. Right, so you can play with it how you want to set. And this one is the increase indentation. See this one, and this one is the decrease indentation. You can play with it, but I will show you when we will write down some numbers here as well. Right, so this is our name of our presentation. Now go back to the style, because this option was left. Click here. This is our font, how you want your font here. See, just like again in Microsoft Office we have Calibri, Time Roman, different. So in few seconds it will pop up here your, see this one, sorry, okay, this one, you want this, so you can see. If you do not like this one, you want this title style, it's up to you. Suppose I want this one, right? Budget meeting. So that is fine. Now we want to write down something here. If you want, you can write down here. If you want, we can click here. I will show you this as well. So click here, right? When you will click here, it says zoom in. So click on this zoom in button, and here we can write down topic number 1. I said here I am write down budget. right? This is budget meeting. Okay, so where you want to bring it? I said it should be in the center. I'm going to delete this. This is done. Now the subtopic, right? In subtopic zoom, and here I said in subtopic I said first quarter budget, first quarter budget, right? I am only making to show you that how you can make this presentation. Otherwise, whatever you want you can write down here, right? And again, where you want to bring, I said it should be here. Is done. Now we will go to our next slide, right? This is our budget, and this is the first quarter budget. Sorry, go back here. I will show you this one, topic 2. This is our topic 2. So in topic 2 I say here I will write down finance. With the help of this you can select your categories, right? I am going to delete this. Where you want to bring, I'm going to close this, right? In subtopic again I say here first quarter results of finance. Click to, I do not want this. Where you want to bring it center here, if you want to bring some pictures. So see here, this is for the pictures. If I will click zoom in, click here what pictures you want. Again the pictures are here. So is there any picture you want to select for your presentation? Suppose this one is fine, right? Click here, is here. I do not want more pictures, so I'm going to delete it. If you want you can add multiple pictures. Okay, and then we can grab this here. See, it is highlighted now. I'm going to delete this picture here, go back. Okay, now I'm going to present to my audience. So see here, this is the budget meeting. Topic 1, topic 2, I'm not going to write down my name or date of birth. If you want you can write down. Now you know how to, you can add all these things, right? When I will click on my first arrow it says finance, right? And here is first quarter results, and here is my picture. Again, whatever pictures you want. So I can start by, my first topic was actually budget, so this is the budget, and then subtopic, right? First quarter budget, and then this. Then we will go to again budget meeting. Our third slide will pop up. Here is the first quarter pictures, right? So it is more interesting compared to PowerPoint. If you want to go back, just press escape key, right? In the next lesson I will show you how you can change the color of your text here, how you can change the background color, and more, much more. Please practice it, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.